Hi everyone, how are you doing today? It's me again, Laura, your English teacher. Salut tout le monde, comment nous aujourd'hui? C'est moi-même encore, Laura, professeur anglais. And today's video, we are going to continue with days and week. Aujourd'hui, dans la vidéo aujourd'hui, nous allons continuer avec jour et puis semaine. So, in this video, I'm going to teach you some expressions or words that are related to days of the week. Dans la vidéo aujourd'hui, moi vais apprendre quelques expressions ou du moins mots qui ont rapport avec jour dans semaine. I want you to listen carefully and repeat after me. Moi je vais avec un peu d'attention et puis répéter après. Are you ready? Let's start. On commence. Days of the week. Days of the week. Part 2. Part 2. Jour dans semaine, deuxième partie. Last week. Last week. Semaine passée. For example, I saw you last week. I saw you last week. Moi te wè semaine passée. I saw you last week. This week. This week. Semaine sa. For example, I am visiting you this week. I am visiting you this week. M'a visité ou semaine sa. Next week. Next week. For example, I will cook spaghetti next week. I will cook spaghetti next week. Semaine prochaine, ou bien semaine k'ap vini, moi pral cuit spaghetti. Moi pral cuit spaghetti semaine prochaine. I will cook spaghetti next week. Weekend. Weekend. Fin de semaine. Weekend. For example, she visited me last weekend. She visited me last weekend. Li te visite m semaine passée. Every day. So if you don't want to say every day, you can say daily, okay? Every day means the same thing with daily. Li veut dire chaque jour. Daily, quotidiennement, chaque jour. For example, I drink water every day. I drink water every day. Moi bois de l'eau chaque jour. I drink water every day. Every week. Every week. Chaque semaine. Or weekly. I go to the beach every week. I go to the beach every week. Moi aller nan plage chaque semaine. Every month. Every month. Monthly. Chaque mois. For example, I have an English exam every month. I have an English exam every month. Moi fè un examen anglais chaque mois. Ou bien moi gen un examen anglais chaque mois. Every year. You can say every year or yearly. Every year. For example, my sister goes to Paris every year. Semèn ale Paris chaque année. My sister goes to Paris every year. Once a day. Once a day. Yon fois par jour. For example, I work once a day. I work once a day. Moi travaille yon fois par jour. Twice a day. Twice a day. Deux fois par jour. For example, I drank the pills twice a day. I drank the pills twice a day. Moi bois comprimé yo deux fois par jour. 3 times a day. 3 times a day. Trois fois par jour. For example, I brush my teeth 3 times a day. I brush my teeth 3 times a day. Mwen brosse dam 3 fois par jour. Okay? Okay, guys, it's time for a review. So we're gonna make a review, okay, about everything that we have talked about. C'est là pour nous réviser, nous allons faire une révision sur tout ça que nous t'ai parlé. I'm going to read it, m'appeler, et puis on va répéter. Are you ready? Let's go. Last week, this week, next week, weekend, weekdays, every day, daily, every week, weekly, every month, monthly, once a day, twice a day, 3 times a day. Okay, guys, thanks for repeating. Merci parce que tu as répété. We are going to practice now, okay? It's time for practice. Kounya c'est là pour nous pratiquer. Okay, what I want you to do is tell these sentences in English. Ça que moi vle faire c'est 10 phrases ça yo en anglais. Okay? You can say it or write it. Ou capable dire ou bien ou écrire, okay? The first sentence, une fois par semaine, comme on dit ça en anglais, 3 fois par mois, 2 fois par semaine. And guys, I want you to tell me what is your favorite day of the week. Moi vle dim ki jou ou pi remen nan semaine nan, ki jou préféré nan semaine nan. What is your favorite day of the week? So if you want to answer to this question, you say, my favorite day is, sou ta vle répondre avec question sa ou di, my favorite day is, jou préféré c'est. For example, me, my favorite day is Sunday. What about you? Et ou même? Write it in the comment section below. Écris dans la section commentaire qui en bas. Okay, guys, thanks for watching until the end. See you for the next video. Bye bye.